Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and today I am back again with a new video. In this video, I'll be, sharing you what to do next after your results are out. As you know, the results are out now and those who passed, a very big congratulations again to each and everyone. So someone asked me what are we going to do next? What is going to happen next? So for that, firstly, though now is not the time to think what is going to happen next. You're having a lot of time to think and everything is going to come to place by itself. Just focus on enjoying basically, because last 6 months you were studying and a lot of things uh, you missed out. Festivals, be it roaming to anywhere, birthdays, parties, marriages, even spending time with your family, your friends. So this is the time to do that. Relax how much time you want to take your do what you thought of doing in this 6 month. You thought that okay, after passing I'll do this, so please just go and do that. Now let's come to the part, what are you going to do, what is going to happen after the results are out. So I think so 3 to 4 days back results came. So after 1 to 2 weeks, they are going to release your scorecard first. Okay, these scorecards get released after again 1 to 2 months, 1 to 2 weeks after. Your time slots are going to come. A link will come. You have to go and register yourself, your ID, password, and everything. And your time slot is going to come of collecting your passing certificate. Your date, which date you are going to get the appointment, and what is your time slot that is going to come. With that, a form is going to be attached. That form you have to download and you have to keep it. Which time also it will be, that is the day you have to go to Delhi and your passing certificate you are going to get that day. The form, how to fill the form, what are the documents required for collecting your passing certificate, each and everything, a video is already made. Please take help from that if you need any kind of help regarding that. If still it is not understandable and there is an issue how to fill that passport entries, it gets little bit tricky there, so you can ask me, I'll help you with that. But I think so videos ek bari dekh loge to it is going to be clear. I hope so it gets cleared. So that is one thing. Rest all the documents, one thing keep in mind, the list of documents which is required, I don't remember exactly, but please whatever be the documents, 10th 12th, your all the degree certificate, all the documents जो कि कॉलेज से मिली है, your degree certificate, नीट सर्टिफिकेट या फिर नीट रिजल्ट या फिर योर एलिजिबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट, स्कोर कार्ड, एडमिट कार्ड भी दे से कि तुमने जो एग्जाम वाले दिन यूज किया था, द एडमिट कार्ड विच यू यूज्ड ऑन एग्जाम डे, ऑन दैट वेरीफाइड स्टैम्प विल बी रिटर्न. If you're having that, well and good. If it's not there, it's okay, just take out a print again. It is not a so much big issue that if it is not there so something is going to be bad, nothing like that, it's fine. But if it's there, please take that and go. उसके अलावा all the original documents are needed. They won't see any xerox. 10th 12th whatever results अगर नहीं है, go and ask your school, they will have that, or you can arrange it from somewhere. सारे के सारे documents original चाहिए. They won't see xerox. एक documents की वजह से they are going to say you to go back and they will give you another date. No need to cause that time. अभी तुम्हारे पास time है, so you can go and take that. उसके अलावा you will be listening that they will ask caste certificate, residential certificate, ऐसा कुछ वो मांगते नहीं है. There is no need of that and all things, so don't get caught in that rumor. These documents are not required. All the related to your 10th 12th and till now whatever your college certificates are there, these are the only documents which are required. Apart from that, no extra documents are required. Passport के सारे stamps, they are going to be seeing your passport. They are not going to verify the page which you will fill on that entry slip and your passport at that time, but you never know, just randomly they can see 1 or 2 stamps. So please fill that paper very nicely. Take 2 to 3 entry slip का xerox so that तुम rough fair कर सको and you should not get messed up. At last, after filling, make sure that online and offline duration तुमने लिखा है. जिसकी online offline duration है, make sure that you write there how much online and offline it is. It is not necessary तुम्हारे पूरे college का online offline एक साथ मिलना चाहिए. You fill according to you. Discuss with your friends and then fill according to you कब से तुम्हारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई थी and when it got finished, and that way according to how much duration for online classes you did. So this is all, and बाकी full details is explained in that video. I'll put the link in the description box. You can go and visit that. बाकी this is going to be, and after you take the passing certificate and come back, you're going to apply for provisional certificate for in your respective states. Every state's timings and everything is different. Some states online you have to fill the form, some states offline you have to fill. I am from Bihar, so I know about my state. Everything is offline here, and you need to come and visit BCMR office, and you need to fill the form there. You have to submit all the documents and everything, and that way the process is gonna go. Again, same, a video is made on that. I'll be putting the link in description box, so you can go and check and take help from that. If you need the form of provisional for applying for Bihar, that is also available in my Telegram channel. You can go and take the form from there. And rest I think so, yeah, that was all. And internship provisional के बाद start होगी. Still internship में 2 to 3 months है. So do now whatever you want to do. Hospitals join करो, go here there, roam, do everything. So just relax and enjoy your time. So that was all. I just wanted to give an idea what is going to happen next, because you know थोड़ा सा एंग्जाइटी होता रहता है ना, अब क्या होगा, घर वाले पूछते रहते हैं अब क्या करना है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. So this is how things are gonna be, and all the very best for everything. Please सारे documents अच्छे से रखना and enjoy your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.